Hey guys, so today I am painting the nails of my right hand or my other hand with my non-dominant left hand. So let's see if I can be successful after this challenge. So please keep on watching. So this is in continuation of this video where I taught you how to paint the nails of your other hand properly. So you can watch it if you haven't already. So let's begin now. So I'm going to draw ice cream on my nails, and I have deliberately kept the pace of this video slower to make it more realistic, and you can easily draw this design with your dominant hand, but since for this challenge I am drawing it on my right hand with my non-dominant hand. So yeah, this is going to be a summer design for you guys, so you can try this on any hand of yours. And if you'd like to take this challenge, then I'll be very happy. Then make sure you show me your works after you have taken the challenge. So this actually is a pretty easy design because it doesn't have any precise things to draw or any straight lines to draw. You just add some blotches and ice cream scoops will be made. But I will try to give tutorials of more complex and precise designs next time for my other hand. But for the time being, you can check out my works on my other hand on my Instagram feed. I have given there various designs that I have done on my other hand in the form of highlights also. You can just check them out. So that's it for today's tutorial. Hope you guys like it. You can also take this challenge, and please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video, so that you stay tuned to some more amazing nail arts and nail polish reviews and everything else related to nail art and nail care. So guys, like this video and share this with your friends, and please comment down below, and I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Bye guys.